Hey everyone, welcome again in my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to connect your soundbar or Bluetooth speaker to your smart TV. If you're facing any issues like your speaker is not connecting and it is facing some issues also, so I will show you how to connect in simple, easy manner. The first method is if your speaker is already connected to the other devices, so first forget from your mobile or any devices, disconnect or forget it, and next turn on your speaker.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It is powered on now. Now keep your speaker in pairing mode. Okay, now go to TV settings. In settings, go to remote and accessories. Click on that and add accessory. Tap on that and your device will be searching. And you can see my speaker is here. Just click on that and pair it. Now pair, and you can see it is connecting. It will take some time. Yes, you can see it is paired. You can see Artist BT50, it is connected. Now whatever will you play, the sounds come from this speaker. So still also you are facing some issues, so don't worry, I will show you the next method. You just go to the settings and the last you can see device preference. Click on that, just go to sound and click on that and you can see this speaker. In speaker, select Bluetooth speaker as your output speaker. So that's it. This is a simple trick. You can play your music and you can watch any movies on your TV. Now I am playing some music and you can see the sound will come from the speaker. So that's it. Now you can enjoy louder, clearer sound from your smart TV. So hope my video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel.